Hello everyone, welcome to CodeHunger, and in this video we will see that how you can create a QR code in just seconds. So definitely nowadays QR code are very important and it's a kind of AI or ML part of things. It looks like okay. So definitely what does QR code does? So let's suppose if you build any application or if you want to promote your website, then definitely you can create a QR code and paste it anywhere in the store or like wherever you want. For let's suppose for example, I am generating a QR code for my website so that if someone is scanned, they will directly jump to my website. So I have passed the text here and click as generate QR code. Okay. So after clicking that, you can see that a QR code is created here, right? Now the part is how you will use this QR code in your store or wherever you want to do as the marketing things. So you just have to download this file. Okay. So when you click on download, it will download as the PNG file. So when you will scan this QR, it will gives you an output as www.codehanger.in. So definitely you can pass the as many as detail here. For example, you can pass in this manner as well if you want to pass multiple details in the QR code. Sorry, just a moment. And then you can pass here your mobile number as well. And then you can pass address as well, right? So you can pass as many as detail you wanted to show here and just click on generate QR code. It will create it, and when you scan it, this all details will be shown to the user. So this is very simple and very user friendly because you don't have to log in or sign up or anything to do to use this tool. This tool is entirely free and useful for all you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then definitely please share this thing with your friends, your family, so that they can also take the benefits of this free QR code generator. Thanks for watching.